Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Ultimate Polish is probably one of the most versatile and effective products on the market for achieving a showroom-quality shine on your vehicle, capable of removing swirl marks, scratches, and oxidation with ease, leaving behind a deep, lustrous finish that will turn heads and protect your paintwork from the elements. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a weekend warrior, this polish offers a professional-grade solution that's surprisingly user-friendly, making it an indispensable tool in any car care arsenal for maintaining that pristine look. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Butter Wet Wax. Experience the ultimate car wax that delivers a deep, wet shine and a smooth finish. It's designed to protect your paintwork from the elements. This premium liquid wax enhances gloss, depth, and reflection on all paint colors. Achieve a showroom-quality finish that will turn heads wherever you go. Our gentle formula is safe for all finishes, including clear coats, single-stage paint, and polished metals. It's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. The smooth, spreadable formula wipes on effortlessly and buffs off without streaks or residue. This makes waxing faster and more enjoyable than ever before. Add a pleasant tropical banana fragrance to your detailing routine. Enjoy a more enjoyable waxing session while leaving a brilliant, protected finish. It's perfect for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. It provides versatile shine and protection on painted, coated, and clear brass surfaces. What we like. Achieve a stunning, deep wet shine that truly stands out. Its effortless application and removal make detailing a breeze. If you're looking for that classic, show car gleam with minimal effort, this is the wax for you. What people say. This product will offer an improvement in appearance. And if you apply it often, it will provide protection from the elements. Goes on with minimal effort and comes off just as easy. The wax was so easy it was almost enjoyable to do. Not only does it protect the car extremely well, it has one of the most impressive shines I have seen. It makes the car look wet from any angle. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Heavy Metal Polish. Tired of dull, oxidized metal? This powerful polish cuts through tarnish and stains, restoring a brilliant shine to your vehicle's chrome, aluminum, and stainless steel. It doesn't just clean, it protects. A durable sealant is applied, helping to resist future oxidation and keep your metal looking its best for longer. From your car's trim and exhaust tips to motorcycle parts and boat railings, this polish works wonders. It's safe and effective on a wide variety of metal surfaces. Achieving a mirror-like shine is simple. Just apply with a microfiber or foam applicator, work it in, and buff away to reveal a stunning, high-gloss finish. Don't limit its use to vehicles. This versatile polish is also perfect for bringing a like-new shine back to household fixtures, kitchen hardware, and other decorative metal items. What we like. Bring dull metal back to life with incredible brilliance. It effectively tackles tarnish and oxidation, leaving a protective barrier. If you have chrome, aluminum, or stainless steel parts on your vehicle that need restoring and protecting, this is your go-to solution. What people say. This product made a 56-year-old piece of plastic look new, not just to me but random observers. Works great. Polished out the surface rust. Makes chrome look good and leaves it clean after polishing. Number 3. Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Introducing a revolutionary solution for your vehicle's paint. It effectively removes scratches, swirls, and oxidation in one simple step. Achieve a smooth, high-gloss finish that enhances your vehicle's natural shine. This formula restores clarity without the need for extra polishing steps. Our advanced formula is safe for all paint types, including clear coats, single-stage, and ceramic finishes. It works perfectly whether applied by hand or with a machine polisher. This product is silicone-free and safe for repainting and touch-up work. It's ideal for preparing panels before applying coatings or protective layers. Experience professional-level results with this easy-to-use formula. It cuts fast and finishes fine, saving you valuable time. Perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. This detailing solution is a must-have for both enthusiasts and professional detailers. What we like. Cut your detailing time in half with this all-in-one solution. It effectively removes scratches and swirls while restoring a brilliant shine. If you're dealing with light to moderate paint imperfections and want a fast, professional finish, this product is ideal. What people say. It combines polishing and light correction in one step, and it really helps reduce light scratches, swirl marks, and wash marks without making the process complicated. The best part is that you don't need multiple products or advanced techniques, just apply it with a cloth or a polisher and it leaves a deep, glossy finish. After working in small areas and taking my time very slowly, I worked panel by panel and I was happy with the little fatigue I experienced from using the machine. At the very end of the day it didn't feel like I used the polisher for the 5 hours that I did total, very impressed. Number 2. Chemical Guy's TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. Introducing the TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, your all-in-one solution for vehicle detailing. This comprehensive 9-piece set has everything you need to restore gloss and remove imperfections. Experience smooth, controlled polishing with its powerful 700W motor and 8mm orbital throw. It's safe for all your vehicle's surfaces, from paint to headlights. Effortlessly eliminate scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Achieve a showroom-quality finish with enhanced depth and gloss. Designed for comfort and ease of use, its ergonomic design makes extended detailing sessions a breeze. Get professional results, no matter your experience level. This kit includes all the essential pads, polishes, and compounds you need. Tackle every step of the detailing process without purchasing additional products. Achieve professional-grade paint correction and a deep, glossy finish. It's designed to help every vehicle look its absolute best. What we like. Get everything you need to start polishing like a pro. This kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners, while delivering professional-grade results. If you're ready to take your car's paint correction to the next level without buying individual tools and products, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. Its perfectly balanced performance ensures smooth cutting and polishing every time. Designed with your comfort in mind, its ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, transforming every project into an effortless achievement. With precise speed control, achieving that flawless finish has never been easier. Number 1. 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax 32 ounces. Discover the ultimate solution for your car's paint. This product is designed to restore and protect your vehicle's finish with ease. Tired of unsightly scratches and swirls? This powerful formula effectively removes imperfections, leaving your paint looking flawless. Worry no more about damaging your clear coat. Our advanced formula is safe for all clear coat finishes, ensuring a brilliant shine. Achieve a stunning, high-gloss finish with minimal effort. Its easy application process makes detailing your car a breeze. Get the professional results you desire with this generous 32-ounce bottle. Proudly made in the USA for quality you can trust. What we like. Simplify your routine with a product that polishes and protects in one go. It delivers a dazzling high-gloss finish with remarkable ease. If you want to achieve a stunning, protected shine quickly and efficiently, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. What people say. The polish itself is purple, smells like grape bubblegum, doesn't dust at all from what I can tell, and is very effective without having to use anything more than about 3 pea-sized drops per panel. Also, the LSP beads really well. After looking at the MSDS sheet for this, it appears to contain some of the same ingredients as HD epoxy, which is a sealant that contains Montan wax. It removed all the scratches and left a nice deep rich color. Even after multiple washes it still looks like the day I used it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.